What's going on, guys? Gary Aman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope you're doing well, hope you're safe and happy. Today, we're checking out the Blitzwolf BW-S31, a 240 watts desktop charger that promises to power multiple devices at once. But, is it as good as it looks? Let's dive in. The BW-S31 is compact, measuring about 113 by 68 by 87 millimeters and weighing just 0.65 kilograms. It uses GaN technology, which lets Blitzwolf pack a ton of power into a small package without overheating. On the front, you got 6 ports, 2 USB-C ports capable of 140 watts each, 2 USB-C ports at 65 watts and 2 USB-A ports at 60 watts. The charger even has a digital display showing real-time output per port, which is surprisingly satisfying to watch. And what's really nice is the dynamic power allocation. The charger automatically adjusts the power distribution depending on what devices you plug in. So your laptop, phone, and tablet all get the optimal charge at the same time. Safety is covered too. There's overcurrent, overvoltage, and short circuit protection, so you don't have to worry about frying your devices. And thanks to GaN technology, it stays cooler than traditional chargers, even when pushing full power. Overall, the BW-S31 is perfect if you're looking for a clutter-free desk setup and need to charge multiple devices at once. It's powerful, compact, and versatile. Pretty much everything you want in a high wattage charger. So, do I recommend this Blitzwolf BW-S31? Well, yes, if you want a single charger for your laptop, tablet, and phone without dealing with a tank of cables, this is really a solid choice. It's fast, it's safe, and looks great on any desk. And that's it for this review. If you find it helpful, hit like, subscribe for more tech content, and I'll see you in the next one. Did I mention that they sent it to me? I'm not quite sure, but here's the disclaimer. They did send it to me to make a video about it, to give you my opinion, and here we are. As always, stay safe, stay happy, good luck.